we'll be unboxing the VEVA ProHEPA 9000 Premium Air Purifier. We have the user manual and the air purifier. And we have the power button to cycle through the modes. And when we take the cover off, we'll have the washable pre-filter, which uses a micro mesh technology which helps remove hair, pet dander, and lint. Then we have the H13 HEPA filter, which helps remove irritants like pollen, mold, dust, and particles as small as 0.3 microns. And we'll have a bag of 2 carbon filters which help eliminate odors from cooking, smoking, pets, and more. And when installing, we'll put in the H13 in first, and then the carbon filter, and the washable pre-filter, and then the cover. And when this light blinks red is when we change the filter. And with the power button, we can cycle through chill, medium, or max fan speed. And this has been the VEVA ProHEPA 9000 Air Purifier.